So guys, I'm gonna show you my Geronimo's Territorial Collection book. Let's start reading it. It's called The Tia Sisters in the Riddle of the Ruins. I just read this, it's from. I don't know who it's from. This is and the legend of the fire flowers. It has some pictures if you want to see it. Like this. You can buy this at National Bookstore in SM or Ayala in Cebu. And another one is called The Tia Stilton and the Secret of the Old Castle. Here it is. Blue picture. Again, as I said, you can buy this at National Bookstore. I mean fully booked in the Philippines. Next one is the Tia Sisters and the Princess Emerald. Here's the picture. Here's the picture. I will do a video of this. I will do a video of reading this. Look in this card because I put this card as a bookmark. See you guys. Bye.